In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find out dates of 52-week high price and 52-week low price automatically using Google Sheets. Start by opening Google Sheets and creating a new blank spreadsheet. This method works best in a clean sheet, so your results are easy to read, and you can reuse the same layout for any stock ticker you want to track. Now click into a cell where you want your first result to appear. This is where you will place the formula that returns the date of the 52-week high. In that selected cell, type the formula that pulls historical high prices for the past 365 days, sorts them so the highest price is at the top, and then returns the date from that top record. The key functions working together here are Google Finance to fetch the data, sort to rank it by price, and index to extract just the date you need from the sorted table. After you type the formula, confirm it so Google Sheets can load the results. Give it a moment because Google Finance may take a few seconds to retrieve the full year of daily prices. When it finishes, the cell will display a date. That date is the day the stock hit its highest daily high over the last 52 weeks. Next, click into another cell where you want the 52-week low date to appear. In that cell, type the similar formula for the low, using the same 365-day window. This time, you will sort the results in ascending order, so the lowest price rises to the top. Then, just like before, index will pull the date from that top record. Once you enter the formula, allow a moment for the data to populate, and the return date will be the day the stock reached its lowest daily low over the past 52 weeks. A helpful tip is to keep your ticker symbol consistent in both formulas, so you are comparing the same stock. Also, if you see an error at first, wait a few seconds and try again, since live finance data can briefly delay. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.